Next, the Communities section lets you connect, share, and interact with other users. Here, you can create posts, start discussions, or share your own quizzes with the community. For example, just type your message in the box and hit Send. Your post is instantly published and appears in the feed for everyone in your community. To invite others to join your community, simply click on the Share button at the top. You can also delete your community. By clicking on the Members icon, you can view your community members. And that's it! Finally, in the Classrooms tab, you can manage your own rooms. To invite participants, click the Invite button on the right. You'll get a shareable link. Or you can import your already existing classrooms. Your